My hands are dirty.
Go! Manly, get it! I have your pail.
I don't care.
It doesn't fit in a pail. Holy. Oh, your pail. Dude, I will get her. Get her.
Excuse me.
Scratcher. Pull her hair.
Hey.
Grab her by the jetpack.
Jetpack. Jacket. Not a jacket, it's a sweater. Oh, hell no. This bitch is crazy.
She's got a stick.
I got a stick. Give me in her head.
She's crazy.
Actually, that's stoner.
Alright.
Like weed? With this. I'm okay with that.
Whoa.
Girl, I don't have shoes on.
Do not throw something at the camera person. What is wrong with you?
She didn't do crap to you, Dad. Why would you throw anything at her?
Take her stick.
I'm taking my jetpack. I just saw your butt crack. You're looking at my butt.
She's there.
Butt.
Okay.
Dude, I'm feeling all dirty now. I'm all dirty. Oh, I don't like being dirty. Here,
I think it's time for my day job.
It's not worth it. It's just not worth it. You know what? I'm going to leave this world of jetpacks.
I need a prostitute.
I'm going to leave this world of jetpacks and sugar lumps behind. And I'm going to prostitute.
You don't have to be a prostitute.
Yeah.
Oh.
What now?
I see some customers.
Oh, my God,
You gotta stick your butt out when you walk.
You gotta hurt something.
You're not walking the right way. Oh my God, I'm going out the right way. Anyone need a prostitute?
Start taking off my clothes.
Me too.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh God. Actually, no, I'm not willing to. I just want to hug them for now.
You don't get paid for hugs.
Yes, I do. At least a quarter. That's enough to buy a gumball.
Who needs gumballs? Ooh, strip it. Woo! Dude, I'm fragile. I bruise easily. Ow, my face! Excuse me, that's my top. I'm naked.
No, you're gonna remain naked.
Dude, it's Jonathan!
What?
Turn it off. I don't know how. You turn it off, Katie. You know how.